Hey y'all, welcome to another. Hey y'all, welcome to another video. This is the voiceovers. I actually did it, so that's why I don't have many things. And Lucy and Trixie and everybody actually. And yeah, I just woke up, so this video might be short. So enjoy. I won't be talking long, just to enjoy the music of the game and enjoy. By the way, before I get fast into this video, I was actually not gonna play Subway Surfers, just telling some stories. Like 3 stories should be enough. So, for the background, so you don't like I have to do this, you may actually see me play this game while I'm telling stories. So yeah. First story. I was in my room playing games with my friends. Once, someone knocked on the window of my room. I was scared because I live on the second floor, so who'd be knocking on my door? A so baby figure right there. I didn't want to open the window, so I pushed back the curtains. And I locked the window safely. And we kept playing games, but then we told my mom. And we all stayed downstairs in the living room where everybody was. So since that day, it still creeps me out. We had another sleepover. This time it was only Jenny and me. My parents were sleeping, so they could take care of us because they thought we're big enough to like take care of ourselves. So we said, okay, we're old, but that's okay. Cause I'm 12, you're 12, we're both 12. We're both 12. So after that, we finally went to sleep. When suddenly someone knocked. Actually, no, not knocked, but like stepped in my room. I was sure it was my parents because they always come up nights to check on me if I'm sleeping. But they wouldn't come at this hour. I'm sure they were sleeping tiredly. I was scared, so I ducked my head under the covers. I was like, what? What do I do? Yeah, that still creeps me out. Next story, story 2. This happened a few weeks ago. My friend and me, we are a team, but that doesn't change that we're different. My friend Jin always didn't know. She was dumb, and people didn't like her, and we didn't like her. But the director said if we don't make her feel comfortable in your house or in anybody's house or something, the people should accept her, then he will be expelled. And I said, okay, no matter what you do, okay. So, and my other friend, Jackson, he was a boy. Yes, he was. 2 girls and 1 boy? What? Yeah, you might think that. Anyway. It was finally time for us to go to sleep. But that never changed. Yeah. But that was just insane. Since someone walked in my room and we turned around, put some put the blanket over our heads and rolled up to a little ball and covered with our whole bodies. I was thinking, oh my god, who is this? I didn't invite anybody over. Who is this? Then I remember, oh, I do. I actually invited Jasmine here, but it was in the morning, not today. Or a bit later, since we're staying up really late. I thought to myself, wait a minute. And I told really quiet to my friends, stay there. Don't move. Just please don't. And they whispered really closely and not loud back, okay. Story 3. It was one day I was playing outside with my friends. It was a beautiful sunny day when suddenly my dog stood up on something and started barking. My dog always barks when something is around. But there was nothing. I looked where my dog barked, but nothing was there. I turned back around and still played with my friends while our parents were watching us. So it wasn't a big deal. And they were also curious why the dog was barking. We had no idea, but they kept talking and we kept playing. We had a great time when finally my friends went home because it was getting late. They went home and my parents told my dog, what is wrong with you? Why did you bark? There's no one there. We should train you better. But it was strange for my dog to act like that. She never acts like that. There was nobody there. I thought to myself, wait, no, it can't be. So then we went inside with my dog. So that thing that was my dog was barking. It was a tree actually. My dog thought a tree was a human, so it started barking. Dumb dog I have. Yeah guys, that was all the stories, so I hope you enjoyed. So yeah, I hope this video gets a lot of views, a lot of likes, and a lot of subscribers. Please subscribe to me with the notification bell because I only have 2 subscribers. My sister subscribed and I also subscribed. And leave also a comment down below, please, just please. And I was joking, I didn't just wake up. God dang it. So bye, I love y'all. Bye.